What's up guys, it's Xenios and today I'm going to show you an amazing homemade protein shake which is going to add you tons of muscle mass. I'm using this for the past 2 weeks and I already gained some size. So before starting this video, if you don't know who I am, I'm the guy who used to play video games and managed to transform his body in just a few years from this to this. I'm also the guy who is known about the most famous homemade mass gainers in the world with over 1 million views on those videos, and I'm also the guy who helps a lot of people transform their body. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and click the bell under this video to get all my upcoming videos. I upload videos every single week about training, about nutrition. I'm also doing some vlogs showing my lifestyle around, so I'm doing a lot of really cool things. So without further ado, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this homemade post-workout shake, which is very interesting and is going to help you to add a lot of muscle mass. Right guys, so the first thing that you need is of course the food scale that you are going to calculate all the ingredients that you are going to add. This is a very simple recipe, by the way. First ingredient is almond milk. I'm choosing the original this time. Usually I go for unsweetened, but you can go for original. So I'm going to add 300 grams. Then I'm going to add 1 banana. This banana is, I think, 114 grams. Then I'm going to add blueberries. This is frozen blueberries, 16 grams. I'm also going to use peanut butter. So this is 15 grams of peanut butter. And for protein, I'm going to add 1 scoop of protein, which is 13 grams. So I also want to use creatine in my shake. Creatine is very important for me at the moment. So this is going to be 5 grams of creatine. So 2 scoops is 5 grams. Okay, so the next procedure is super simple. We're just going to blend it. Alright guys, so here you have this an amazing recipe to do, and it's also very easy. I use it for pre-workout and post-workout. If I'm going to use it for pre-workout, I don't add any creatine and I add Nescafe. I like coffee, I like the taste of the Nescafe, so it gives an amazing taste to this shake. Now if you don't want to use any protein powders, what you can do, you can actually add egg whites to replace the protein powder. This is something else that you can also do, and if you don't want creatine also, you cannot add any creatine. Also make sure guys that you follow me on Instagram. I upload some really cool stories. I upload daily the workouts that I do at the gym. I also upload what I eat every single day. I upload some posts of my lifestyle. I upload a lot of cool stuff there. And I'm also going to announce soon that I'm going to drop my transformation guide. It's an ebook that is coming and it's going to be for free. So this is going to help you to transform your body and give you some basic stuff. If you want to get coached by me one-to-one and you want a more personal approach and you want a personalized nutrition plan and a workout program, then you have to join my 12-week transformation program. I'm going to give the links in the description below. So anyway guys, I'm going to see you soon. Make sure you drop a like and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.